Hey, I'm Aaron, and we're going to be taking a closer look at Schieblehre. Probably butchered that enunciation, but it roughly translates from German to caliper. This puzzle was made by Jean Claude Constantin and is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. The main goal of this puzzle is to take this ball bearing through this sliding maze and out. We have a layer of acrylic that has been laser etched with the name and has a couple of windows so you can hold pieces while moving them. Then we have a wood laser cut frame, and underneath the sliding pieces we have a grid where the ball bearing can roll in. On the back we don't really have a whole heck of a lot of anything, but still nice wood. We also have this reset point, so once you do remove the ball bearing, you can immediately just press it back in and it's ready to go again. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.